Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to add a stylish gradient background to your containers in JupyterX and Elementor, no custom CSS needed. And if you're new here, JupyterX is a WordPress theme that supports Elementor, no Elementor Pro needed, with 200,000 plus users, 450 plus ready sites, and exclusive WooCommerce features. Let's get started. To begin, let's click on Edit with Elementor from the drop-down menu to access the editing interface. This opens the Elementor editor, where we can modify the container's properties. Next, right-click on the container where you want to apply the gradient background, and click on Edit Container. Now, let's navigate to the Style tab within the Edit Container panel. This will give us access to the various styling options for our container. Next, we'll select Gradient as the background type. To choose our gradient colors, let's click the pencil icon. This action opens up the color picker. I'm going to drag the color slider within the color picker to set the first color of my gradient. Let's pick another color as the second gradient color, the one the first color will dissolve into. Okay. Let's adjust the color by dragging the color slider within the background section of the Edit Container panel from 23 to 14. As you can see, the background color is changing. Now, let's adjust the second color location slider, dragging it from 14% to 87%. Next, let's modify the angle of the gradient. I'm dragging the angle slider from 180 degrees down to 100 degrees. Notice how the gradient shifts as I change the angle. Let's see how our gradient looks if we change its type from linear to radial. Now, let's adjust the location number input control, increasing its value from 67 to 75. I'd like to switch the gradient type back to linear. Thank you for watching. We've demonstrated how to easily add gradient backgrounds to your website containers in JupyterX without any custom CSS. By utilizing Elementor's styling options, you can enhance the visual appeal of your website with dynamic color transitions. Experiment with different colors, gradient types, and angles to achieve the perfect look for your design. We hope this tutorial has been helpful.